American Flag Act has officially been signed into law. The government is now required to buy flags that have been completely manufactured in the United States. Before the act was signed, the government could buy flags that contained 50% of American-made materials. Senator Susan Collins, whom introduced the bill, says, quote, "The American flag serves as a symbol of our identity, resolve, and values as one people."